In today's tutorial, how to send crypto or cryptocurrency from MetaMask to Coinbase wallet free tutorial. Drop this video a like and subscribe for more. Okay, so open up the Coinbase app or the Coinbase exchange and then click or locate where you want to send. In this case, I'm sending Ethereum or ETH, and I'm going to click the fourth option which says send. In this case, it says select a method, and you want to click the second option or the Ethereum/ETH chain. So there's two options to send your Ethereum or ETH, your cryptocurrency to. You can type in whatever you want on here, or the next option is there's a QR code. It will basically bring up an address that you would like to copy. So in this case, I'm going to scan the QR code, and as you can see, I scanned the QR code. It has pasted the address like so. So you want to click the address and then click continue. Now put in however much cryptocurrency that you would like to send over. You have the option to add a note or to preview your transaction before you actually send it. And then you can click send now. And as you can see, there's the total, a network fee, but if you're happy with it, then click send now. And as you can see, you have successfully sent cryptocurrency/crypto or Ethereum or ETH. You can even click to view the details to view the transaction or to view what cryptocurrency you have just sent. Notice at the bottom screen of Coinbase, there's a status icon, and it looks like that this is still sending as it says it's pending. So be patient. Then once this says complete, you have successfully sent crypto or cryptocurrency. Okay, so basically on your MetaMask wallet, I have it loaded on the PC. If you want to receive crypto from Coinbase, there's a couple ways to go about doing this. Open on the top screen, you have the address and the account, and you can click this icon. You can copy your address, and then you can copy it and paste it directly from your phone, assuming you're sending crypto from your Coinbase app, which is on your phone. Or the other way which you could do is to click the drop down arrow and then click these three dots or icons and then click account details. In this case, you can scan the QR code or you can copy the receiving end of the address. And as you can now see, the transaction has been completed. You can even view your transaction on the blockchain or block explorer just to see if you sent it to the right person/address or whatever it is that you want to do. And you can view this on Etherscan, and then to verify that you had received the cryptocurrency from Coinbase on your MetaMask wallet, input your details, and then as you can see here under the tokens, you now have your new cryptocurrency. And if you go under to the activity tab, you can now see you have received a new cryptocurrency on your MetaMask wallet from the Coinbase wallet or app. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.